OMG, and it's too cold. We're here at Pian de Boy Lotso di Cadore. So you can see it's too foggy. Fog in here. You can see anything here because it's too much fog, and it's currently snowing. It's very cold right now. So my husband left me here at this point because he's driving the motor snow, the quad, and he can see the pathway. So I will just wait here. I will just wait for him here. He will just open the street, and after we're going both on our cabin. So right now here it's too much windy and too much snowy. So very cold right now. My goodness, my hands are already freezing. So I will just walk a little bit. To ease the cold weather because I'm also freezing right now. So my husband is already approaching. He's right there. So I think I will just go there. Oh, he will go down. I don't know what will he do. Okay, he's calling me out, and I have to go to him. I don't know how many meters here right now, but in our cabin it's 17 meters below sea level. Okay, so my husband is right here now getting me. Hello guys, so we just arrived here in the mountain. We're just arrived here in the chalet. So I'm going to get our supply for today. We're going to stay here for until Thursday, I think. So we're going to stay at least 5 days because going to snow until Wednesday or Tuesday. So we're going to stay here, and we have a lot of supply. We already bought some supplies here. So bawal ang magutom, guys, okay? So I will just put it. Ayan. So it's currently snowing right now, and I think the snow will last until Tuesday, I think. So we're going down by Wednesday perhaps, but I'm not sure. Let's see how it goes. So I'm getting everything here inside in here. Okay. We've been I think it's more than a month we didn't came up here in the cabin, so we really miss our cabin, guys.
Over the horizon, over the horizon.
During the snow, during the winter, I mean, we always use our quad. Our mothers know our quad going up because the street is covered with the snow. Like now, right now it's snowing, so it's so hard to go up. But there's a lot of people who is doing snowshoeing, sciaspe in Italian, and also skiing. They are really active, and they really like to go trekking like that. It's really far, guys. So but I really want also to try trekking on that street where we always do, because there is a two street here, the shortest street and the longest street, and the longest street going up. But I didn't yet experience the longest street, so I want longest road, so I want to try it. But my husband don't want to try it, and I don't want to try it alone. So like that, I hope you understand my English, guys, because I already forgot to speak in English. So right now I'm going to put everything in here, and I will going to bring it inside because it's really snowing and my hands are already freezing. So like that. So I really miss our chalet, but every time we go here during before, we always go here during weekend when the snow is a lot, when there's a lot of snow. But this year the snow came late, so like that. So I'm going to bring this, so here. Okay, let's go inside there. Okay, I will let you see. I will going to do a vlog next time by doing what's inside our chalet. I hope you guys will going to abangan it. Okay, it's really snowing. The snow is really cold, and I'm freezing. So I need to do it fast and stop vlogging right now. OMG. I really miss our chalet. So okay. So these are the, so as you can see there, last summer I made a vlog about our chalet, what's outside our chalet, and that's our and there's our firewood place. So during the summer, I always gather all the dried woods and put it in there to make it more dry, because during the winter like this, we really need it. And as you can see, there's also a table there, but covered with the snow. That was made by my husband. During the summer, I made a vlog about that. On that house, little house right there, there's a photo trap there, but it's not functioning anymore. I don't know if my husband can able to fix it. So there's also a cabin there, tree cabin, but there's nothing in there inside, and no one is living in there. I mean, no one comes there to live, and they are about to sell it, and I don't know if it's already sold. So there's also a cabin there. They only go during the summer. So there's also a cabin there's also a cabin and at the back there, but they don't go often. Only us who always go often in here. So I need to go inside now because my hands are really freezing right now. So guys, I will going to do on my next vlog. I'm going to let you see what's inside our cabin. Okay, thank you everyone.